Father Christmas's famous green pants are back, bringing festive cheer on the streets of Tiverton. The lights made headlines across the nation last year when many residents in the town said they bore a resemblance to underwear. They were switched on at the Winterfest event this weekend thanks to the Mayor Steve Flaws, who was joined by competition winners Calvin and Polly, as well as Britain's Got Talent semi-finalists Bosom Buddies, who provided entertainment throughout the day.
Well, the infamous the green pants are back, as you say there, Lewis, and hopefully we'll get lots more tourists in here.
What was it like to switch on the Christmas lights here in Tiverton?
It was a fantastic honour and a pleasure. The guys have put in a lot of work to get this organised, and I would suggest it's gone really, really well, and it's a pleasure to be here.
And it wasn't just the Mayor who was pleased to see the return of the famous green undies.
Excellent! We love the pants!
I think it's absolutely bob on.
The lights are pretty cool.
I like the green pants.
Yeah, the Santa pants make it, pretty cool.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
A little bit embarrassing, but it's funny. It's enjoyable. It's Tivy, really. To have these lights is just like having Tivy back, so.
And the town's so amazing.
It's amazing. It's pants. It's terrible. No, they look fantastic.
Earlier in the day, community groups across the town took part in the Carnival and hundreds of youngsters on parade in the annual lantern procession. This is the first year the Tiverton Business Forum has organised the event after taking on the responsibility from the Town Council.
Very difficult, as it's the first one. A lot of challenges, a lot of obstacles, and very short time as well. We've done all of this in 5 months, so funding has been an issue. But the whole thing has come under £6,000, which we're very pleased about. We can make this bigger and better. I think as a first one, it's not been a bad thing to put under our belts, and now we just build on this one.
What have you made of the support and the turnout here in Tiverton this evening?
Mind-blowing. We couldn't have done it without the people of the town. They've come out in their thousands to support us, from all the stall holders, all the volunteers, especially the lantern procession with the children. Also a great big thanks to Mid Devon Council, to the Town Council. We haven't seen eye to eye with them all the time, but we're all smiling and more happy chappies now with them. It has been a phenomenal evening in day's events. We're rather tired, but we're glad everybody enjoyed it.
The evening culminated in a spectacular fireworks display, lighting up the skies above Phoenix Lane. We'll leave you with some of the images from the display, and for a full video of the lantern procession and carnival, head across to the Express and Echo website. Lewis Clark, MDG News, Tiverton.